Welcome, I am Parika Pandey. In the last session, we have learned the methods of the strings, list and tuples, and the data type conversion. In this session, we will learn the logical expressions, operators, and this dictionary method and set methods. Let's start with the dictionary method. Dictionary has the update, clear, get, del, set, default, and copy functions. We can copy the dictionary, we can set default value of the key, we can delete the dictionary, we can get the value of the key and clear the dictionary and update it. The other functions of dictionaries are like we have already seen, like dot keys, dot values and dot items in our previous session. Let's see this function with example. Here in the dictionary method, you can see here I have created a dictionary 1. It's an empty dictionary. In the empty dictionary, I have taken a 3 list value. These are the 3 list key and this is the 3 list values. So we can easily we can do the multiple assignment in a dictionary by using of the list or tuple. Here now update the dictionary. Here I have taken a name, ID and age for the school data. If you take this as a school data, then name, ID and age is the dictionary, and in this dictionary if I want to add, means update anything, add some value, so we can add this value by using of dictionary 1, then key value is result, then this is the value of the key, and by using of this we can update this dictionary. And the second method is what, like dictionary 1 dot update, then here you can give the school and colon this value, or you can give a variable name. By using of this two methods you can easily update the dictionary. If you want to change the dictionary value, also you can modify the dictionary value. Like here you can see the first time I have taken a dictionary and I add this result with a plus plus value, and in the next time I add, means I change this key value as a plus, and at the last you can see here I have added the new dictionary with the dictionary 1. Now next is the delete function. You can easily delete the dictionary, whole dictionary, or the dictionary key, means because dictionary doesn't have index kind of thing, we can accessing the dictionary by using of key, so you can easily delete the dictionary with its key value. If you want to clear the dictionary, just use dictionary 1 dot clear method. If you want to get anything, clear means blank, means it shows the empty dictionary. Get method is mainly used to get the values. Like here you can see the alpha num is my dictionary, here is the key and value pairs. If I want to take or access a value of particular a key, then I use get, and here I use the key name, then it shows the values of this key. The next is the set default. In the set default you can see the ABC is available, D is not available. So here I give a D as a key value and 4 is the value of this key. So for the D, it add this D into this dictionary and set its default value as a 4. If you use the existing, like I take here C and then I try to change the default value as 1 or 45 something, then it would not be changed. This is mainly set default method is used mainly for new dictionary key value pair. And the next is the copy. If you want to copy the dictionary, then just use the dictionary name dot copy method and assign this to new dictionary variable and then print this dictionary variable. Let's run this, see the result and compare with this code. Here you can see name, ID, age, this This would be the dictionary. The first, if after update the result a plus plus is added, then change the a plus plus with a plus and then add this school. Now first time we delete the dictionary school, then empty dictionary is created, and then after delete the dictionary, so it shows the name error, dictionary is not defined. Just comment this and let's see the other results. Here you can see if you clear the dictionary, then you get the empty dictionary value. Then if you want to use the get value, then in the get you can see the a has a value is a 1. So it shows the value as a 1. And set default, in the set default, the d has a value as a 4. And if you copy the dictionary, the same value is created for the new dictionary. But here d is added. Why d is added? Because d we have added here. So these are the dictionary functions. Now next is the set function. Set has a add, clear, copy, intersection, differences, difference, remove, discard, remove, is disjoint, is subset, pop, is superset, and union function. The pop, add, clear, copy, remove, these all are working same like a other data types function. Mainly the intersection, difference, remove, is disjoint, is subset, is superset is mainly used with set functions because set is used for set theories. Let's see the example of this. Here you can see in the example the color has a red, blue, green. Color is our set. If we want to add some value in this set, then use dot add, then give a new value, then automatically added into the set. If you want to clear, then just use this set variable value or variable name dot clear method, then it's clear the set. Copy like same like a dictionary. Intersection means what? You can see here a dot intersection b means the common index for both the variable, set variable. Like here you can see a and c is the common for a and b both. So here you get the result as a and c. Difference is what? Like a b c d and x a y c. So a and c is available in both, but b and d is not available in this b variable, and x and y is not available in this a variable. So this is the mainly the differences. We can say the subtraction. So here I have defined a two different kind of code like a dot difference a means this a value I need to minus from this set. So my result would be BCD, and in the second time I need to remove this XA YC. So CA both would be removed. So my result would be B and D only. The difference remove like the same thing, only it shows the value, means which value you have removed from the sets, and it gives the updated set value, means after removing the value. A dot discard. Discard means what? If you want to discard this value from this set, then it use discard method. A dot remove the same like a discard, but in the discard what happen? If any value like x is not available in the A set, if I use here x, at that time in this discard would be gives an error, but remove method will not give an exception message. So as per the requirement we can use remove or discard. Is disjoint means what? A and B is joined or not. So it gives the solution like A and B has the same thing like A and C both the available in the both the thing. So it gives the result accordingly. Is subset means what? Like C has a C and T value and A has a ABCD, means this CD value is available in this A, the C set is available in the A set, yes. So it shows the true. The same thing is a superset. Superset means what? A has a 4 value and C has a 2 value, and the C values are available in the A. So A is the superset and C is the subset. Now pop method is remove the values. Now union is particular add the two set, because we can't add the or update the sets. So by using of union we can easily add two sets. Let's see the result of this. Here you can see red, blue, green, yellow. Then these are the added. Clear means what? It clears the set, blank set. Here clear the set, so copy set or also the clear means blank set. Intersection, it gives a C and A value because C and A both are available in A and B. Differences, you can see if we minus the A, then difference would be the BCD. And in the BCD, if you remove this C value, the value B and D is only remaining. So B and D for this line of code. Now then it shows the difference update. Result is the D and B. Means it shows after the removing the A in the ABCD, if you remove A and C, the A value would be the B and D. Now the discard. In the discard you can see if we remove the A, then we means we have already removed the A and C, so we have a B and D only. So after discarding we get the same value, the D and B. If we remove B, then also we get the same value. Here it is disjoint, result is true. Yeah, because the A and B have an intersection values. Then C is a subset of A. Then it would be the result is false. Why false? Because in the B and D the C value is not available. Wait, I'll do one thing. Just remove this differences and this code and then run this. So we'll understand clearly. I again run this and see the result. Yeah. Here is disjoint, then you can see here it gives a false value. Why false value? Because is disjoint means all the values is coming in here, but B's all the value is not available in the A, so it gives a false result. Then C is the D, means subset, yes. Then if you remove the pop, in the pop if you keep blank, then it takes the last value. It removes the last value. So here you can see it removes this D. So C value is available only. Then A is superset, yes, true. And union 1, 2, 5, 6 is the union. So here you can see the 1, 2, 5, 6. It added both the set and gives a result. We have seen the dictionary and fact methods. Now let's see one example. This is an example related to bank account detail. Here I have used the list, dictionary and its methods. In this example you can see I have taken an account number. I have given already the 3 account number. You can take a user input also. Same for the name, age and amount. Now here I have created one dictionary. It's an empty dictionary. Its name is bank detail. In this bank detail dictionary, I will keep this account number, name, age, amount, all the details. Here you can see the account number is my key and the name, age and amount is my values of the key. This for loop mainly used to take this account number, this name, age, amount value and create a bank detail dictionary. Then after, I ask user to just enter the account number, and according to account number it shows the bank detail of the person. Let's see the result of it. Here you can see in the dictionary the 1, 2, 3 John 20 age 1000 rupees, 4, 5, 6 Jimmy 40 5000, 8, 5, 9 Sam 25 age and 10,000. Now let's, if I enter the account number like 456, you can see it shows the detail of the person like Jimmy 40 and 5000. So this is a basic example. By using of the dictionary, you can create the big applications and store the big applications value. Now let's start with the operators. Python supports following types of operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, logic operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, membership operators, and identity operators. What is the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators like add, subtract, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. This is the same like our basic math. If you want to add two variable values, then you can easily add this variable value by using a plus. If you want to subtract, then minus. This is mainly arithmetic operation is mainly used to used for integer data types or number data types. This is mainly the floor division. Like here you can say, see, floor division is a division of operands where the result is the quotient in which the digits after the decimal point are removed. Like here is the example, if quotient value is 3.10 or 3.6, the result would be 3, not .10, .6. Means it removed this decimal values from quotient. Now next is the relational operator. In the relational operators, you can see the greater than, less than, double equals to means equals to, this means not equals to, then greater than or equals to, then less than or equals to. What happened? Mainly we are using the logical expression, and in the logical expression we give some conditions. For if the condition is true, then we can do the some actions, or we can go to the body of the if for else condition. So for this operators is required. So this comparison operator or relational operator is mainly used in if else condition. Now next is logical operators. This is a and, or, and not. This is the same like and, or not logic. And means what? I'll show you. Like if our condition returns true, if both the operands and expressions are true, like x value and y value both value as 1, so we can say it's an AND gate. I'll show you here. Here you can see a equals to 0 value and b equals to 0 value. Just consider 0 as a false and 1 as a true. So what happened when 0 0 value and we use this AND logical operator, then it returns the result as 0. For 0 1 and 1 0, both it gives a result as 0. If both the conditions are true, then it returns a true value. Here you can see, this is the example. 5 is greater than 4, yes, it's true. So, and 8 is greater than 7, yes, it's true. So both are true. So it returns the 1 1 value, and 1 1 value, result is the 1. So it gives a true. The same like a logical OR. In the logical OR, mainly what happened? Either the one condition is true, then it returns true value. Like here you can see 5 is greater than 4, yes, 8 is greater than 7, yes. So it gives this true value. But here you can see 5 is greater than 4, yes, but 8 is greater than 9, no, it's a 0 value. Then also it gives a true, because 0 1 or 1 0. If any one condition is true, then it gives a true. So when you want to put this kind of condition in your if else or logical expression, at that time you can use this OR. Now next is the logical NOT. Logical NOT means you can say the invert of input. Like if you give a 0, then it gives a 1. If you give a 1, then it gives the result as a 0. So if you want to give a condition invert kind of line, then you can use this logical NOT. Here you can see that 2 is greater than 3, no, so it's 0. But not 0 equals to 1, so it gives a result as a true. You can also use the not with and, or not with or with and. Any kind of logical operators you can combine and use them in the conditions. Next is the bitwise operator. In the bitwise operator also they are using the and or, only its symbol is this and this. What is the meaning of bitwise? Means it mainly it performs everything bitwise logic. Like if same bit in both the operands, it returns same bit. Like a equals to 0, b equals to 0, then it gives a 0 value. So mainly you can also use the bitwise and mainly when you use the C programming and you want to combine this C programming with Python, at that time you use this bitwise operators. It is same, it works same like this 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, in the AND, in the OR and in the NOT. The same it's work. Now new one is what? The XOR, right shift, left shift. If you want to rotate something, okay, if you want to rotate the beat, so this kind of programming when in which your beat is rotated, at that time you can use this right shift, left shift. It mainly rotate the beats. XOR is what? It performs bitwise logical XOR. It copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not both. Here you can see in the logical XOR. If 0 0 then 0. If 1 1 then 0. Only it's true when any one condition is true. But other condition would be false. At that time it shows one value. Now here you can see if a equals to 60 decimal value we will take. The binary of 60 is this and 30 is this. Okay. If you do the logical XOR between this a and b variable, then here you can see for this 0 means 0, 0 means 0. But if any one is the 1 and means any one condition is true and other condition is false, so it gives a one answer. So here you can see for this is 1, for this is 0, 0 and here is the 1. So if you convert this binary value into the decimal format, then its result would be 49. So if you want to convert any number like decimal to binary, binary to decimal, at that time you can use this XOR and OR. Here you can see I have taken a bitwise operator example for this right shift, left shift. Here you can see the X value is this, Y value is this. If we take X and Y, so if both the one means if both the condition is true, then it shows true, otherwise 0 for the AND logic. So here all are zeros because there is no any condition, both the condition are true, or X Y value would be a true. Here you can see this is mainly the right shift and this is mainly the left shift. Let's see the right shift. In the right shift what happened? X, we have taken this. So this 0 would be shifted right side like this here. We want to shift this 2 decimal value into the right side. So here you can see this 0 and this 1. It's moving this right side. So 1 and 0 is removed. Okay. And here 2 zeros would be added. And this 1 0 it's move here, so its result is the 2. And if you shift left side means right side means here it shifted this binary value, and 2 means what? 2 times shifted. So first time 0 shift, then second time 1 shifted. In the left what happened? This 1 means here this 0 is shifted, this 0 is shifted. So result would be 00, 1, 0, 1, 0, and other places would be filled with 0. So answer would be 40. Now next is the assignment operators. This mainly used to assign the value to the variables. This x plus x minus x into, this is mainly used in the loops, and also if you want to increase any value or decrease any value, at that time also you can use this assignment operators. This is mainly like if you take x equals to y, so it means what? X value and y value, both the value is same, or we assign the y value to x. Here x plus equals to y means what? X equals to x plus y. So this is mainly used in the loop. If you want to increase the counter and all, at that time we are using this two, plus and minus, increase and decrease counter, and this is for multiplication. The same thing you can do with the division, modulus, floor division, exponential. Exponential means power, like x into y. If you have written, it means what? X raised to y means 2 raised to 3. Answer would be 8. Now membership operators, in and not in. This is mainly used to check the element of the variable or the list is available in, means present or not in the list or tuple and string. We have already seen this in and not in our previous section in the methods. Identity operators, it shows, means it shows like x equals to y or x is y, means if the x value and y value, both the value is same, so we can check them x is y or x is not y. By using of these two conditions, we can easily check the value of both the variables are same or not. Let's start with a flow control statement. We can also say logical expression and decision making statements. What is the logical expression? Logical expression is expectation of condition occurring while execution of the program and specifying actions taken according to the conditions. Its structures evaluate multiple expressions which produce Boolean value as true or false. Mainly the logical expression separate the programs into their logic component and their control component. I'll show you, explain you with this diagram. In this diagram you can see if condition is true, the body of code is executed, otherwise it's skipped and your condition is go to the, or your cursor of the program is go to the next step or next line of your code. Python supports 3 kind of decision making statement. First is the if statement, second one is the if else, third one is the if statement. Let's start with the if statement. If statement is the same like other language if statement. It is used to test a condition. If statement contains a logical expression using which data is compared and a decision is made based on the result of the comparison. Here you can see if condition is true, then body of if is executed, otherwise the next line of the code would be executed. I will show you with example how to do this. This is the syntax of if condition. The if, then condition, then colon. Mainly in Python, we are not using the curly brackets, square brackets, or semicolons. Mainly, it uses this header syntax and indentation for the body. And we can say this header syntax and the indentation of body, these two things we can say suite. Here is in the header syntax, we are mainly using the keyword. For the if statement, keyword name is if. Then we use the condition, like we have already seen the relational operator, arithmetic operator. This conditions we can create by using of the operators, and then colon. Colon means what? You can say the if definition is finished, and then body would be start. But in the body we are using the indentation, and by using of the indentation we are mainly write our body of the if. I'll show you one example how to do this. Like here we take year, and in the year we are taking like let's take an input like int input. I take enter year, and then after I compare this year, it is a leap year or not. For this I am using the if condition. If year percentage 4 means here we are using the modulus, means its remainder is 0 or not. We are checking. If remainder would be 0, it means what? The year is the leap year. So year is a leap year. Now let's run this program and see the result. If I take 2000, then it shows year is a leap year. But if I take 2001, it doesn't show anything. Why it doesn't show anything? Because here we didn't give any condition or any statement. So if you have this kind of condition, like if first condition is not true, so you need to check the second condition. So at that time you can use the else statement. Else statement is an optional statement, and only one else statement following if statement. Here you can see in the syntax if, then if body, else, and in the else body. And in this diagram you can see else block, when condition would be false, at that time else block is executed, otherwise if block would be executed. Now let's use the same example, only we put the else condition. Like here I take else, and in the else we write a print statement, year is not a leap year. Now let's run this program and see the result. Like I take 2000, then it's a leap year, and if I run and give a value as 2001, then it is year is not a leap year. So mainly this is the use of the if and else condition. If condition is false, then our program cursor is going to the else condition. Now next we take the if we want to put a different conditions, like we write a code for a game program, like guessing the number, okay, and for the different number we want to put a different conditions. So if we have a 5 to 6 condition, so if and else is not working, because else statement is followed only the one if statement, but here we have a 5 to 6 condition. So what we do? For this we need one extra statement, and it's a elif statement, or we can say the else if statement. Elif statement takes the form of an if expression. It followed by one or more optional elif expressions, and it's and with the optional else block. Mainly the elif statement is an optional statement like else. Let's see with the diagram. Here you can see we have given an if condition here. Let's understand this with this diagram. Here in the diagram you can see we have taken a if condition. If condition is true, then body of if is executed. If condition is false, then body of else condition would be executed, or we can say the program cursor is move to the elif condition. Then it checks the elif condition. If elif condition is true, then body of the elif is executed. If not true, then body of the next elif condition we can say, and if it checks all the elif condition, and in the all the elif condition it gets a false answer, then lastly it executes the else statement, and then after move the program cursor to the next line of the code. This is the mainly the syntax of elif statement. If statement, then body of if, then elif statement, then elif body, the next elif statement, elif body, up to the end. Means like you want 5, 6, 7, 8. As per your conditions, you can give multiple elif here, then else and else body. Let's see the one example of guessing the number game. Let's take one number. Here I have taken a number as 21. Guess 10. These are the two variables. Now if guess equals to num, then print congrats right number. It's a right number. Now next condition will take elif guess, then here will take num. If number is more than guess, then we can take print sorry, it's a wrong number, or wrong guess number. Now next, if you want to put more conditions, then you can put, otherwise just use the else condition. So here what happened, here you can see we are checking the equal. Here we are checking the positive greater than, we can say. Here positive equal, and in the last we will check negative number. And also give one condition here like elif guess num guess number is greater than 0 and guess number is less than 9, so it prints you are near to not 9, let's take here 20, and here let's take greater than 10, or we can say let's take greater than 18. Then we can write here you are a near to guess number, or here you can take here equals to also you can take. And for the negative number it takes print but is, or we can say the valid number. Here we can put one more condition, like number is less than 0. Here we will put invalid number. Okay, and here you are near to guess number, it's a wrong guess number and still higher. And here you can put number may be little lower. And let's take for the guess, but we'll take enter this number and convert this into the integer. Okay. Yeah. Like I take 10, sorry it's a wrong guess number and little higher. Okay. Now run again this program. Let's we take a 21. Congrats, it's a right guess number. Then if you take 18, then sorry it's a wrong guess number and little higher. Okay, it's going to the first condition because we have given a condition up to this. So if we are using like AND, here we take like a number is, guess number is above 10 and below 17, or we can take the guess number is greater than 21. Okay, let's take this. Then it's guess number is little higher. Okay, now let's run this program and see the result. So we have already checked for 10 and 18. If we take 22, then it says it's little higher. Okay, now if I run this program and take 19, so it's near to guess number. And if I take -1, then it shows it's an invalid number. So here you can see these are the mainly the condition. We have used three condition in between if and else. So if you want to make a game program or any this kind of program which have multiple conditions, then you can use this alif condition. Now if you want to use the if condition with another if, means like we are mainly creating the patterns, okay, in the for loop by using a for loop or nested for loop. Nested for loop is what we create a pattern. The first line would be created by the first loop and the second line would be created as per the first for loop. So we are using the second for loop inside the first for loop. The same thing happened in this statement, logical expression statement. Here we can use the if statement under the second if also. Now let's take one example, then I'll show you how to do this. Before it, let's see the syntax of it. Now next is the nested if statements. The syntax of this statement is like a if statement and then you can put the body of and then here you can put the another if statement and then give a body of if. Now here you can take the else. Directly you can take the else or alif, then body of alif, and here you can take the else. This is the else. So here you can see we have used this if statement and inside it we are using the if alif else statement, and then next I use this else and this one is the body of else, main else. So this kind of syntax if you use, then we can say it's a nested if else statement or nested flow control statement. Let's see one example of this. Here I have taken an example of the bank deposit. Here I have taken a value as a deposit equals to 1,50,000. If our deposit is greater than 1 lakh, then it prints the message thanks for choosing us. If deposit is greater than, means if deposit is less than 2 lakh rupees, then we give you a VIP locker. This would be printed. If below 5 lakh, then we need to talk to manager, and other means like if its value is greater than 5 lakh, 6 lakh or anything, then at that time it prints the please visit our other branch for deposit. Here you can see the if is the main condition and this if and else is the nested condition of this main if condition. So if anyone come and deposit the money the greater than 1 lakh, then this condition would be fulfilled. Second condition we have taken here, if the deposit is greater than 10,000, then do you want to deposit as a FD? So it asks this question. Then if the deposit is greater than 1,000, then sure I am doing it right now. Okay, this would be printed. And if the deposit is below 1,000, then it shows the message we are not processing amount below 1,000. So here we can use this condition. You can also put this if alif else condition after alif also, and this alif also, and in the else also. So you can use the nested if, nested alif, nested else, anything. Here I have taken an example with nested if only. Let's run this and see the result. Thanks for choosing us. We give you VIP locker. Why they say VIP locker? Because deposit is 1,50,000. Let's take a int. Let's take a int input enter deposit value. Now according to your value it would be changed. Like I have taken it 2000, then sure I am doing it right now. This would be because it increases, means if the deposit value is greater than 1000, then this message would be printed. Now let's take, if I take a 6 lakh, then please visit our other branch for deposit. This message would be printed. So our program cursor is moved to the different condition according to the deposit value. Thanks for watching this session. In this session we have learned the dictionary method, set method, operators and the control flow statements. Our next session is use of Python loops and one of the basic Python project implementation. If you like this session, then please subscribe our channel, like this video, give a comment on it and share with your friends. Thank you.